There are 522 million dogs and 399 million cats in the world, according to Mark Spector. In 2016, the research company GfK conducted a large survey of 22 countries dedicated to pets. It turned out that almost everywhere dogs are more popular than cats. Globally, 33% of households have dogs and only 23% have cats. The dove has been known as a symbol since the time of the global flood as described in the Bible. It brought an olive branch to Noah's Ark, signaling the end of the flood. The expression "Dove of Peace" became popular after the end of the World War II in connection with the activities of the World Peace Congress. The emblem of this congress was created by Pablo Picasso and depicts a white dove carrying an olive branch in its beak. Arthropods, commonly referred to as arachnids, encompass spiders, mites, ticks, and scorpions. All arachnids have 8 legs. They are widespread with over 45 different species found on every continent but Antarctica. The freezing temperatures of Antarctica make it highly unlikely for spiders to inhabit the continent anytime soon. The tiniest bird in the entire world is the bee hummingbird, which is found only in Cuba. These birds are often mistaken for bees due to their tiny size of around 5.5 centimeters and weight of around 1.9 grams. In addition, they are considered the smallest warm-blooded vertebrates. Lions are the only true social species of big cats living in groups called prides. These prides typically consist of related females, their offsprings, and a few unrelated males. In lion society, females are the primary hunters, working together to take down prey such as zebras, wild beasts, and buffalo, while the males defend the pride's territory. Lions are highly adaptable predators found in various habitats across Africa and a small population in the Gir forest of India. Despite their formidable reputation, lions spend much of their time resting and conserving energy, often sleeping for up to 20 hours a day.